In today's video, I'm going to show you how to get WooCommerce order details so you can easily track purchases, check customer information, and manage your store more efficiently. Let's get started. Begin by heading into your WordPress dashboard and look for the WooCommerce menu on the left-hand side. Click on WooCommerce, then select Orders from the drop-down. This opens your full list of customer orders with their status, dates, and order numbers. To view the details of any order, simply click on it. This takes you to the full order page where you'll see everything you need. At the top, you'll find the order number and the date it was placed. Just below that is the order item section. This shows exactly what the customer bought, including quantities and variations. It's helpful for verifying purchases or resolving product questions. Scroll further and you'll see billing and shipping details. This includes the customer's invoice address and the delivery address. Always double check these if you're processing or reviewing an order to avoid shipping errors. Next is the order note section. This is where WooCommerce logs updates, customer messages, and any internal comments you or your team add. These notes are incredibly useful for tracking changes or following up with customers. You'll also find the payment method used, whether it's a card, PayPal, or something else, which helps keep your financial records accurate. And now, the best part? Finally, review the order totals and status. Here you will see the full price breakdown, including taxes and shipping fees, along with whether the order is pending, completed, cancelled, or refunded. And that's how you quickly access and understand WooCommerce order details. If this guide helped, don't forget to like and subscribe for more WordPress and WooCommerce tutorials.